Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your ALCATEL 3. So first, what you guys want to do is go over here to unlock the phone. Now we want to adjust the volume in the settings, so open up the settings and then go to the sound. After that, we need to make sure that our media volume is turned up at max, and when somebody calls you, make sure that the call volume is also turned all the way up. After that, what we need to make sure of is that the do not disturb is disabled, so we want to delete all of it here. Now we want to disable silent mode, and it should be all good right now. After that, we can either clean the speaker grills or the headphone ports depending on where the problem occurs. And we have the headphone port right here, the 3.5mm jack, and right here we have two speaker grills. So now after that, what you guys can do after cleaning it, you guys can update the software to fix any audio glitches. So I doubt that this phone will have an update anytime soon because it's from 2019. But it's still worth checking from time to time, like once a month or two. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.